Welcome to this tutorial on how to exchange Singapore dollars to US dollars using the Moomoo app. First, ensure that you have the Moomoo app installed on your device and that you have completed the registration process. Open the app and log into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Market section where you will find various options related to trading. Next, locate the option for foreign exchange or currency trading. In this section, you should see a list of available currency pairs. Look for the Singapore dollar to US dollar pair. Clicking on this pair will give you access to the current exchange rate and additional options for exchanging your currency. Take a moment to review the exchange rate and any associated fees. To make the exchange, input the amount of Singapore dollars you wish to convert to US dollars. The app will automatically calculate the corresponding amount in US dollars based on the current exchange rate. After confirming the details, tap the Exchange button to proceed with the transaction. Be sure to double-check all the information before finalizing the trade. Once the exchange is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your US dollars will be credited to your account, and you can now use them for trading or other transactions within the Moomoo platform. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to refer to the app's help section or reach out to customer support. Thank you for watching and happy trading.